To do a cursive, let's look at some young ones of animals. Alright? Now, you love rabbits, big ears, yes, the lovely little bunny tail. Now, a rabbit baby we call bunny. Little baby rabbit is called bunny. How spell bunny? B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. Let's try. B U N N Y. Bunny is a baby rabbit. Let's write the B capital. B. B U N N Y. Bunny. What does the rabbit like to eat? Cabbage, carrot, lettuce, and so on. They love to chew all this. So bunny is the young one of a rabbit. Now, cow. Cow gives us milk. The baby cow is called calf. Baby cow is called a calf. Spell C-A-L-F. Calf. Curved. C-A-L-F. Calf. The baby of a cow. Let's write C capital. C-A-L-F. Calf. The young one of a cow is called a calf. Next, duck. Where does the duck play about? In the pond, in the water. The mama duck, when she goes swimming about, who follows her? Tiny little babies. What do you call that little baby? Duckling. Ducklings and duck swim about in the pond or in any water spot. So baby ducks are called ducklings. D-U-C-K-U-C-K L-I-N-G. Duckling. Baby ducks are called duckling. Let's write T capital. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. And our next young one is hen. What is hen's baby? Chick. What is hen's baby? Chick. What does the hen give you? She lays egg for you. Nice brown eggs. Yes? Now, the little brown hen has lovely number of tiny chicks. She takes them all about to scratch the ground to collect worms to eat. The babies are called chick. Spell chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. That's right. C-H-I-C-K, chick. The baby of a hen is called chick. Let's write the C capital. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now look at the young one, 4 young ones. First, bunny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. That's a baby rabbit called bunny. He loves to eat carrots and cabbage and lettuce. The baby of a cow is called a calf, C-A-L-F, calf. What does the calf give us? She gives us milk. Duckling. The young one of a duck is called duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. The duckling loves to swim about in the pond, in the water. Chick. The baby of a hen who gives us eggs. Her babies, tiny babies called chick. CHICK, chick. Let's take another set of baby. Now, I'm sure you know an animal that grunts. Which animal grunts? Piggy, yes. What is the baby pig called? Piglet. That's very good. Spell piglet. 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 Baby pig is called piglet. That's right. Piglet. Piglet. Baby of a pig is called piglet. They're very cute when they are tiny. Pink and nice, got a lovely snout, and it looks very cute. They love to eat all vegetable waste. Let's write the P capital. P. I. G. L. E. P. Piglet. What noise do they make? Run, run, it goes on. Now, who got your house? You have a kennel there and you have your dog sitting at the gate watching over your house, not letting any strangers come in. What is their baby? The dog's baby called puppy. Tiny little dog is called a puppy. Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Good. Let's write. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Young one of a dog is called a puppy. Let's write. P capital. P. U. P. P. Y. Puppy. Baby dog is called a puppy. Good. Now, an animal that's got a nice little bag, pouch to carry the baby. And it's got two short hands and it keeps jumping all about. What's the name of the animal? Kangaroo. Very good. You find kangaroos mostly in the zoo. You can find them in the Australia. It's a lovely little animal who carries his baby with him. What is that baby's name? Joey. J-O-E-Y. Joey. Joey is always carried by the mother in the pouch. Let's write. J. O. E. Y. Joey. Baby kangaroos are called Joey and lives in mother's pouch wherever mother goes. Let's write the J capital. J O E Y. Joey. Now, big animals like the lion, tiger. What are the babies called? The babies are called cub. Tiger's baby is called a cub. Lion's baby is called a cub. Spell cub. C-U-B. Cub. Good. Say. U-B. Cub. Let's write the C capital. C-U-B. Cub. Now, look at the four babies here. Piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet is the baby pig. Mama pig baby is called piglet. Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. The baby of a Dog. Young one of a dog is called puppy. Joey. Kangaroo's baby is called Joey, and he sits in mummy's pouch. Joey. Joey. And finally, cub. Lion's baby is called a cub. Tiger's baby is also called a cub. Cub. Cub.